On the angle concept which we have discussed in the earlier video. Yes, I am going to put 2 or 3 questions based on that. The questions are like this. The first question, look at this problem. You have to simplify this. I think there are some result which you have learned. This is the result which you are learn about the complement. Now you know the formula for pi by 2 plus x, sec of minus x, tan of pi minus x. All these remarks which we have learned. Now I am just placing the first value is minus sin x. Okay. Second one, do you remember? It will be sec x. Now here it is minus of tan x. Whole is divided by. It will be nothing but again sec of x. This place, if you can write, it will be minus sin x. And over here you can write as tan x. Tan x. Look here, this tan x will get cancelled, this sin x will get cancelled. Over here this sec x, 2 places negative and 1 place negative. If you simplify further, you will get answer as minus 1. Answer as minus 1. So this is the first type of sums where the what we have learned can be used. Second problem, if you get this type of question where the angle is pi by 6, pi by 3, these are known one. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30, pi by 3 is nothing but 60. This value you can place. Now unknown part you can simplify further. It will be cosec of, I will be leaving the square as it is, 7 pi by 6 can be written as cosec, I will be keeping as it is, it will be pi plus pi by 6. Now which remark you should know? Cosec pi plus theta. So it will be minus cosec pi by 6. Now you know all the 3 values. So this is the things which to be evaluated, something extra. Now I am writing the given expression. Given expression will be equal to 2. Here you can replace this, also you can replace over here, and over here it can be replaced. Now just replace the value, see whether is it like this. Now simplify further, one more step, check whether your final answer is like this. Okay, one more question. See the next question. Sin minus 420 cos of 390, then it will be cos of minus 660 and sin of 330. This question can be asked in the form of pi also. It can be asked like that also. I am just writing that. So make a familiar with the both and then I will tell you the procedure. Okay, the same question. Because 420 can be written like this, 390 can be written like this, 660. If such type of problems are there in any question or any time, you should follow this technique. Look, it can be written as sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So it will be sin 7 pi by 3. Now this 7 pi by 3, this is 420 is more than, so it will be, I am just writing 2 pi plus something. 2 pi plus what I should write? Pi by 3. Okay. Now can be written as minus sin of, this is sin 2 pi plus theta is sin theta, pi by 3. And pi by 3 is nothing but what? 60 or 30? 60. So what will be the answer? What you will write? Minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, you get all the 4 values. This is I have explained. This you find out, this you find out, this you find out. And then I will be showing the answers now. Check the second answer is on the screen. Sin 13 pi by 6 is nothing but half. Now 2 more. It is cos of minus 11 pi by 3 is nothing but cos of minus theta is cos theta, 11 pi by 3. I told you it is 2 pi plus, it will be more than 4 pi, no, it will be 2 pi. So it will be cos of 2 pi plus, what I should write? 3. 3 is a 6, here it is 5 pi. Now we know it is nothing but cos of 5 pi by 3, cos of 5 pi by 3. Now it will be cos of pi 2 pi minus pi by 3. Is it okay? 6. Now cos of minus theta. Cos of 2 pi minus theta. What is the formula? Recall that. Remember, no? Cos of 2 pi minus theta. And then it will be cos pi by 3. And final answer is coming over there. It is also half. It is also half. Similarly, you can get one more value, that is sin of 330. This is sin of 330 degree. So it will be sin of 2 pi minus pi by 6. So it will be minus sine pi by 6. So it will be nothing but minus half. Now all 4 values are ready. Now replace that values in the given problem. So the solution will be now minus 420 answer you are getting minus root 3 by 2. Then second value cos of 390, check in your notebook, it is half. Then it will be plus sign as it is over there half, and finally minus half. If you simplify further, you will get your answer as, check somewhere, correction is required, the second value over here cos of 390, here cos of 13 pass, here it should be cos, so it will be cos over here. Are you following? Therefore it is cos, and this is coming as root 3 by 2. So the next value over here it is root 3 by 2. So it will be minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. If you simplify, finally you are getting minus 1. So you may get this type of questions based on what earlier we have discussed. So that all remarks will be based on it. So it is not, see, whenever I am explaining any proof of the formulas, based on that 1 or 2 problems I am sharing. Similar type of the problems you have to search and then try more conceptual questions on that. Look at the screen. I think this formula you have learned already. The proof is also known to you. Now I am just asking you, everywhere B to be replaced as A. By this procedure we are getting some new remarks. That also you should know. Suppose I am putting A plus A is nothing but sine of 2A will be equal to, this is sine A. Over here B also A now, plus it will be cos A as it is over here also. So I think both the terms are identical. So you are getting now 2 times sine A into cos A. Now start with the formula for the cos of A plus B. What is the formula for the cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Here also B to be replaced as A. Left hand side is nothing but cos 2A will be equal to, this is cos A, this is also cos A, minus this is sin A, over here also sin A. If you simplify, you will get cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now from here also there are 2 approaches are there. Look what I am doing, cos square A minus sin square A I am writing here. Over here also cos square A minus sin square A. Here this sin square I am changing and writing as 1 minus cos square A, and if you simplify you will get 2 cos square A minus 1. Similarly here I am changing cos square A, it will be 1 minus sin square A. Over here also minus sin square A. If you further simplify you will get 1 minus 2 sin square A. So for cos 2A you have 3 remarks. See, for sin 2A you have only this remark. Cos 2A you have, this is 1 remark. This is also another answer. This is also another answer. So 3 remarks are there. Similarly you are knowing the formula for tan of A plus B. It will be equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Here also the same procedure, B to be changed as A. So left hand side you will be getting tan of 2A. This is A, tan A tan A. It will be 2 times tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A. So we have got some few remarks. These are called as half angle formulas. So I am just making a list of this at one place, and then we'll talk about something more. So over here I am writing all the 3 formulas at once. Look at the screen. This is a consolidated form of that half angle formulas. These are called as half angle formulas. A reason being, this angle is going to make half. Now how to use application? Just we'll talk about little application you will. Okay. Suppose I have written sine of 4A. Then it is 2s2 sine 4A becomes 2A, and over here cos of 2A. That is called as half angle formula. In case I am asking cos of 3A, now you can have the 3 ways of representation. Cos square minus sin square. What will come here? 3A by 2. Half of that, 3A by 2. or one can write 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin square 3a by 2, or one can write 2 cos square 3a by 2 minus 1. Are you following? This is called as half angle. Whatever this angle is there, that is going to make angle. Suppose I ask you what is the tan A in that case, and looking at this remark, can anyone tell? Correct. It will be tan square A by 2. So this angle is going to half. Okay. Suppose here it is sine of 3x minus 2 is there, and I want to write like this. So it will be 2 sine 3x minus 2 by 2 cos of 3x minus 2 by 2. Is it okay? So this way you can convert any. So similarly, suppose you want to write like this, cos 3a, it is cos of say 30 degree, can be written as cos square 15 degree minus sin square 15 degree, or 1 minus 2 sin square 15 degree, or 2 cos square 15 degree minus 1. So you should know this pattern also. Keep this information in mind. This all the remarks which is I am putting in the square bracket, you should learn properly. Now we will use this remark and generate few more formulas. I am just explaining one. You can try for the rest of one. I will provide the formula. You can use it also. One or two I will explain. Third one you can try. Now I am explaining how to get the formula for sin 3a, cos 3a and tan 3a. These three remarks I am explaining. Okay. Let me explain first. I want sin answer in purely sin form, cos answer is in the cos, and tan answer is. So sin of 3a, suppose I want this formula, then I can write sin of 2a plus a and use sin of a plus b. Sin first, cos second, plus cos first and sin second. Now for sin 2a we have only one remark, so I just replace 2 sin a cos a, and this outside cos a will be as it is. Plus for cos 2a you have three remarks. Now I am trying to use the remark which is in sin form, 1 minus 2 sin square a, and over here also sin a. Go on simplifying, it will be 2 sin a, over here it will be cos square a. My intention is to get everything in the form of sin. It will be sin a minus 2 sin cube a. Here sin. This is cos. I have to change it. It is 2 sin a, 1 minus sin square a. This is plus sin a. It is minus 2 sin cube a. It can be written as 2 sin of a minus 2 sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin of cube of a. So this 2 plus this 1, it will be 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is also cube, it is multiplied. Now formula for cos of 3a. The same rule, cos of 2a plus a, cos a cos b, cos first cos second, minus sin 2a into sin of a. Cos 2a you have three formulas. Here we have used sin 1. Here we should use cos because you are trying for cos, minus 1 cos a. Sin 2a one formula, 2 sin a cos a and sin a as it is. Now it will be 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 sin square into cos a. Sin square I don't want. Do you know why? Correct. Because cos we are trying for. 2 cos cube a minus cos of a minus 2 over here 1 minus cos square a into cos a. Further simplify, it will be 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus, listen, this is 2 cos a plus 2 cos cube a. Now simplify this and this. It will be 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos of a. We have got two formulas, sin 3 theta, sin 3a, cos 3a. Similarly, we try for tan. Tan of 3a is equal to tan of 2a plus a. Now can be written as tan of first term plus tan of second term upon 1 minus tan 2a. Over here it is tan a. Now tan 2a formula is known to you in tan. It will be 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a plus tan a. Over here 1 minus, this is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a and tan a. Go on simplifying, just I am leaving here. And what you can do, take LCM. 1 minus tan square is LCM numerator, 1 minus tan square is LCM denominator. That will going to get cancelled and you can get the formula for tan 3a. Simplify. Check whether this is the final answer. So now you have got 3 more remarks. One is tan 3a. This is the formula for tan 3a. Tan of 3a. Sin 3a. This is the formula for sin 3a. This you have to remember again. This is the formula for cos of 3a. This is the formula for cos of 3a. Is it okay? Now how to make use of these formulas? You write down all the 3 formulas one below other. I am just explaining how to get the formulas. Okay? Now, suppose I want to ask sin 6a and want to use this formula, sin 3a formula. 3 sin a, it is 1/3 of that. 3a is there, no? Here 8. So it will be 3 sin 2a minus 4 sin cube 2a. In this case, angle becomes 1/3. Suppose I want tan of 4a. Tan of 4a. Look at this formula. 3 tan 4a by 3 minus tan cube 4a by 3 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 4a by 3. Are you following? These are the example. These are not the example how to make use of that particular remark. Okay. Now cos of a I want to write by using this formula, cos of 3a. So I am just going back here only. Look here, cos a I want to write. Cos a will be equal to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos of a by 3. That means this value, this angle becomes 1 by 3. This angle becomes 1 by 3. Is it okay? So with this this concept of application, that is half angle formula and sin 3 theta sin, that I am just concluding. Okay, next we will be again starting with the same remark and getting few more concepts. Thank you.